feeling very good.
That's very good. Yes, 100%. This is a moment of relief. We have cleared 20 points towards the migration. Now, Rajni, tell me, we got almost perfect score in listening. 8 each it is, guys. Yes, I have Rajni over here who has smashed her PTE exam in the shortest period of time. Yes, I think only around 4 weeks she spent over here, and then she got her desired score with 2.9, guys. Yes, she got 88 in listening and 90 in speaking and 82 in reading and 82 in writing. Amazing score. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Very,
sir.
very happy for you, Rajni. Now, Rajni in total gave 3 attempts. In the last attempt, she completely forgot her password and then she was not able to give the attempt. So we would not count it as an attempt. But this time she smashed it. She knew that she had to get it done because her NATI exam was also coming and we had to plan that as well. So she finally got her scores. Now, first of all, Rajni, please tell how are you feeling at this stage?
I'm feeling fabulous because all my tension has relieved, and I had deep breath after giving my exam and getting my desired score. So I'm so relaxed, stress free. I'm feeling very good.
That's very good. Yes, 100%. This is a moment of relief. We have cleared 20 points towards the migration. Now, Rajni, tell me, we got almost perfect score in listening, 88. I want to start with the listening itself because a lot of students struggle a lot in listening and they really need to, improve. They really need to concentrate a lot because concentration is the key when it comes to the listening. Now, what was your strategy when it comes to the listening module?
To be frank, regarding listening, I will say we should focus mainly on the dictation.
Yes.
Because most of the marks come from the dictations.
Right.
And we need to be very attentive while listening.
Correct.
Doing dictations and also other short
Questions.
as well, because it will give you marks because you will have more focus and then only you will get the answer.
Yes.
And I will say you should focus on dictation. It should be 100% right.
100%. Yes, guys, totally correct. Dictations needs to be 100% correct, and then only you can have a margin of mistakes in the other tasks. Now, this is what happened in the exam as well. Even though she was a little bit confused whether she got everything correct or not, but she did amazing job in the exam and she got 88, guys, perfect score, 9 in listening. Now, yes, concentration, focus is very important. So you really need to make sure that you focus a lot in the listening section, and especially it is the last module. So you feel exhausted, but you really need to practice in that way that you are used to that environment, right? Now, let's move to the other, I would say perfect scores, which is speaking.
Yes.
I know when you came to vision language, you were struggling a little bit with your retail lecture, right?
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
do you want to share something about retail lecture? How did you manage to get perfect 90 in the speaking this time?
Actually, in speaking section, I bit struggle in read aloud as well because I used to speak so loudly and I got breathless in between. So it caused hesitations in that. So as Vishal told me to speak slow but in fluency, so he helped me to achieve good in my read aloud. And second thing also, like I struggle a lot in retail lecture because when I used to do retail lecture, I start following my template for the describe image. So he told me this strategy about retail lecture, which you can gain from him.
Yes, guys, we don't need to be super fast. Now, this is the myth which a lot of students think that only if you speak fast, then and then only they can maintain the fluency, which is not correct. You need to be always fluent, but pace can be slow as well. Now, guys, yes, Rajni mentioned she used to be breathless in between. This is the very common mistake students do get breathless, and that's why they incur a lot of hesitations, and that's why they miss out a lot of marks. Make sure you have enough pauses, make sure you have planned your pauses, make sure you're not breathless throughout your speaking exam, so that you can maintain your fluency, guys. Now I want to know, in terms of the reading, Rajni, a lot of students are getting very less scores in the reading, especially when the questions are not repeating so oftenly. Now how did you manage to get 8 each? What was your take in the exam? I know you were telling me earlier that you did not get any repeated questions, especially in reading and writing. So what was your take? How did you attempted your exam, especially for the reading and writing blanks?
Reading was the most difficult part for me because I struggled a lot, and for that I used to think like I can cram, fill in the blanks, I can cram reorders, but seriously it doesn't work because I used to do that, but in exam, when I gave exam, I forgot the sequence, I forgot my cramming. And yeah, then Vishal told me like you should do by understanding. If you have understanding, doesn't matter from where the question will come, you gonna get it.
100%, guys. Very important, valuable tip. Do not cram, guys. Why? Because cramming will only work for certain time. It will not work every single time. And yes, if the sequence they have changed in the exam, you will get confused, and same thing will happen. You will forget the sequence, and you will miss the entire question itself. Understanding is very important. You need to develop your understanding, so that even if the questions are new, you know how to approach them, you know how to tackle them in the exam. Now, any final tip overall, what do you think was important in the lab, Rajni? How did it help you in the exam?
Yes, I think it's very, very, very important because I know if we are at home and we say, yes, Vishal, I'm doing at home. Yeah, students used to do, I'm giving my own example. I used to do, but only 1 hour. If here in 1 hour I'm practicing 25 or 20 questions for reading, at home I just do 10 or 15 at home in 1 hour.
100%.
So I think coming to the lab is also very important for the students, so that they can practice regularly, and if they see other students as well, so they get more motivated, like he or she is studying, so I should also study.
100%. And I remember you used to tell me, Vishal, I am a little busy, I am at work, I cannot come, I have my household stuff.
Yes, excuses, but actually they are not excuses. Yeah, because here in this country we don't have anyone backup, like
Correct.
yeah, so need to manage everything. But I think we can give at least 1 hour or 2 hour to our study as
Yes,
well, to
yes.
make our future brighter here.
100%. I totally agree. Because guys, you need to sometime prioritize your studies, your tasks as well, and I think that's what we did, especially in the very last week of exam. I knew that even though she was working for state 10 to 12 hours, and she used to come for a couple of hours here as well, and she used to make sure that she don't miss out on anything. Now, big congratulations. I am very happy for you.
Thank
Anything you want to say at the end, so that students over there can get some valuable tips?
Thank you so much for congratulating me, and big thanks to Vishal sir and all the staff here, Vipasha ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, and 2 other ma'ams. I forgot the name now. So a big thank to all of the staff, and I will highly recommend every student, please be regular and practice every day. If by chance you are not able to come, so please practice at home, and I will highly recommend Vision Language Experts to all of you.
Thank you so much. That was it, guys. Yes, if you're struggling in your listening, dictations, you need to focus on them. Very important task. If you're struggling in your reading, don't cram. Develop your understanding. And yes, if you're struggling in your speaking, make sure you maintain your fluency. Thank you guys. Good luck everyone. Vishal is signing off from Vision Language Experts at Blacktown branch. Thank you.